Hello, creative minds. Today, we are back with a concept sketch of Lord Ganesh in the avatar of a singer. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. Choose your preferred medium, be it digital or paper. This tutorial is meant to develop your character study and study of human figure and anatomy. For today's artistry trivia, why is Lord Ganesh addressed as Sukakata Dukata? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. This is the 7th sketch of our series, where we draw Lord Ganesh as different profession. Today we are drawing Lord Ganesh as a singer. Check out the previous videos as well, where we draw Lord Ganesh as a flutist and a scientist. As we know, the head of Lord Ganesh is elephant's head, so draw accordingly. This is the first stage of the drawing, so use light strokes so later you can erase them, add details. Singer Ganesh is holding a mic in his hand, so draw accordingly. Tap an eraser over the basic sketch so that we can start with detailing. Start with the details of the head. Detailing is a very crucial process, so take your time while doing it. Next, add detail to the props and the costume. Once you are done with the drawing, let's start with the coloring process. Carefully color this gauge, making sure the color doesn't spill out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our characters as well as our props. A drawing of Lord Ganesha as a singer signifies that creativity and art, like Ganesha's wisdom, can remove obstacles and elevate the soul, reflecting the belief that music is a divine language that connects humanity to the spiritual realm. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, an amazing sketch of Lord Ganesh as a singer. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question, Sukakata means the one who brings happiness, Dukata means the one who removes sorrow, as Lord Ganesh, the provider of joy and remover of sorrows. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel. And definitely check out the advanced playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.